Hello everyone, Rythone here. Welcome back to episode 2 of Freebird Industries here on the Fourside Rebirth mod pack server. Last episode we took a little bit of a tour, and I think this episode we've got some power, but we're gonna need more power. To get more power, the easiest way would be to get our cobble gen going. Because then we can get EMC and we can get more of those and etc. and yada yada. Now, storage might start getting a little bit hairy, but if you look, for the most part, I don't have a lot of stuff out of these few chests here. So I was thinking we should have what we need to be able to go ahead and look into modular storage. So for the modular storage, let's see, so we just need a machine frame, some quartz, and a chest. A machine frame is, oh, lapis. I don't have lapis. And I don't think I've come across any either. Let me go check. If we haven't come across any lapis, then it doesn't matter how much I have, because we're going to need lapis. You go in there. I don't see any. Let's see if I've even learned it. Because if I haven't, well, I have not. Okay, which means I haven't come across a single piece of lapis yet. Well, then we are gonna need ourselves a way of digging quickly. And the easiest way I know of at this point, and I don't have enough iron for it. Wait. Nope. Well, so much for that idea too. Let's see, I've got 2 on me. I've got none in here, but I've got some iron and some iron scrap. I think the iron scrap can just process in here. Excellent. So we'll get a couple more pieces of iron. Well, we can make... I was going to go the modular storage route. What about the... Ender IO has something similar, don't they? Where is it? Oh, silly Darnock. Yeah, that can happen. So, now the piece that I'm looking for, I wonder if it's even in the pack currently. I can't remember if this has updated, and if it hasn't, it doesn't appear. Aha! Well, those are photovoltaic cells, although those very much look like what I was looking for, and I don't even remember what it's called, so that's not going to help us any. Well, I guess modular storage or applied energistics are really going to be it. I was hoping to use something different. That's fine. So modular storage, we're going to need lapis. What about wireless? Wasn't it called wireless? Wireless charger. No, none of those. Fine. RF tools. We can do it this way too. It should look like one with 3 slots, I thought. Remote storage. That's what it's called, right? Yep. Okay. That's gonna take a machine frame and lapis. Well, so much for those plans. How much did we get out of our scrap? Another 16. 16 plus our 2339. We've got 2. And I'm going to need... Let's see. 2 plates. Make the handle out of thaumium. Got a little piece. So 2 plates. Probably put obsidian on there. 8. Use 8 obsidian for that. I can always upgrade it. And then 8. So I need 16. And then my 3 thaumium, and I don't have to melt that. Which means I need another 14 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Perfect. Should probably grab those berries, but that's whatever. So then we need to grab our obsidian. God, we just need 8. There we go, and then I should, if I'm not mistaken, have 3 thaumium. I remember finding that in a chest, so that'll work out nicely to give us the bonus modifier, even though we probably don't need it. But we'll go ahead and make the hammerhead out of mana steel. Mining level obsidian, it's always useful. We'll take this large plate and we'll make this out of mana steel. We'll make another one out of obsidian. And then we'll put this back and make a tough rod out of thaumium, which adds thaumic and 1 extra modifier. Excellent. So then we just need to go to the tool station, and I can't make a hammer. I told you guys it was early game. Okay, so then we need to make it into a tool forge. And in order to make it into a tool forge, grab these real quick and just set them up to cook here. There we go. So then, let's see, tool forge. Doesn't really matter what metal. What do we've got the most of? Copper. Just curious out of that. And I suppose I could have kept talking the whole time, but, you know. Now I need 4 blocks. So, do I have enough? I'm literally 1 copper short. How am I 1 copper short? Oh, I'm not. I'm not at all. So we need 4 blocks of copper. Let's make 4 blocks of copper then. 4. There we go. I suppose I could just take all of those out. Okay, so we got the copper. And then, oh, seared bricks around it. I've got seared bricks too. I thought it used the small bricks. 1, 2, 3. Excellent. Well then, not a setback at all, guys. I have this fancy copper table. I don't think I've ever used copper for this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put the seared bricks along the top and the tool station in the middle. Gives us a tool forge. Bam! Alright, now we can make the hammer. Put in that, put in this. I'm gonna go like this. Or like... yeah, that looks cooler. So this is... let's see, you're the stone cutter, which means you're the mountain mover. There's our mountain mover, our stone cutter, and what have we got as far as modifiers are concerned? We've got 1 modifier. You know, the very first thing we need to do is... see, I could make it electric, but I don't have any capacitors. I don't have any... no, I have no moss stone. I have no vines. So that's out of the question. Do I have an emerald? No, we spent that emerald last episode. Right. Well, never mind then. This is empty, and this is mostly empty. Wait, I can exchange my 7,000. I think I could get an emerald on that, because that's a 50% boost, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see. So you... toss you in. What? Emerald? Oh, it got an emerald. Just take you out, put you back. There's a diamond. I never learned how to transmute emeralds. Oh, what a scrub. Fine. Fine! Fine, it's fine. Got what we needed. We've got a hammer. It will level itself up. It's fine. So I'm just gonna... plants and organics. Just shove this all in there, and you can take those two while you're at it. What else is in my inventory? Some machine parts. Some gold nuggets, and those go... Why didn't those stack? There we go. That's a gold bar's worth of nuggets, and your sulfur. I guess I'll put you in here, because that's where phosphorus and all the other stuff went. And charcoal can go. Actually, I'm going to turn that into... those. Okay. And equipment parts. We'll just throw those in there. Got my 5 sticks. And the last thing I'm actually going to need... I'm going to say a block. Just to be safe. Nope. No monsters. Good. Good night. Alright. Let's take a quick nap. There we go. And we're up. Cool. So, this and this together make 28. It's really not the most ideal amount, but it'll do. Let's organize these bags like so and like so. What? Can put the glass away. We've got food, and then let's just let's put away the rest of this. So food. We'll leave a few out, and then we can... we'll just put the... No, we're not going to put the glass in there. We will put... So put that in there, in the sleeping bag, and the chisel. Take that back out. I changed my mind. I'm allowed to change my mind. You don't know me. Well, actually, you probably do if you've been watching these series. Even though this is the start of this particular series, for the most part. And you're just gonna go into building blocks. Cool. Let's go get some lapis. What? Yeah, that builder's wand is an extremely useful tool. Alright. So... lapis is gonna be in the deep part of the mine. So I guess we're going all the way down. I need to see my mines finally. Just picked a couple random levels. And then... I suppose I could be dev-nulling all of the cobble if I really wanted to. Is lapis? Lapis is not going to be below the lava lakes. Well... to here. What is this? 34? Might be not deep enough. Let's see. Why can't you mine? Oh, it's not that it can't mine it. It's that it's a different hardness as the rest. I will take that iron, thank you. Oh, look, manganese. I can make steel now. Excellent. I'll just go like that and like that. Look, more iron. You guys really probably don't want to watch me mine, and the iron and the manganese were not why we came down here, but we will need it. There. We don't need more copper. My god, we do not need more copper. Let's go deeper. We need to go deeper. So, lava lakes are right at this level. Okay. Well then, let's do this. And we'll just kind of dig for a moment. Need to level up this brand new hammer anyways. Yes! Wait, I just got that? How did I just get... yeah, no, I've mined uh-oh. There it goes. I don't know what that was. No, tick rate's fine, so I have no idea what was causing that. Weird. It's okay, I didn't lose anything useful or important. It's just, kinda clear this out some. We can dig around the lava pit. Sounds like a good idea. Just to clear it out so we can see exactly where we're at. Maybe we'll find some more diamonds. Maybe not. Just keep going. There we go. Look, more iron. Fantastic. It's always good to mine out around the lava lakes anyways. I don't need yellowite. You're gonna mine me some anyways, aren't you? No, actually. I normally want to go one further back than this. Hey look! More iron! Fantastic! I am not complaining about the levels of iron deposits. So we're just going to go a little deeper. All I need is well, really one piece of lapis is it. So let's see if we can't find a freaking piece of lapis lazuli. Lapis lazuli? Lazuli. I have no idea. If you know how to say it, tell me in the comments. Yeah, that's great. What is that? Ore berries. Okay. And up there, and over there. Look, another mushroom. More coal. We are definitely in deep. Some volcanic rock. Still... Ooh, gold. Still no lapis, though. That's really bizarre to me. Normally at this point, especially mining with a hammer, at the level of the lava lakes, I would have found lapis. I mean, I sound so confused, especially, you know, you'd think I'd know. I'm the creator of this pack. It was a collaborative effort, I'll give you. There were a few people helping me out. Just craft up. We're not full. I don't know, what are you talking about? What's that? Got a plant fossil. I didn't have a plant fossil, but I'm not really going for dinosaurs. There we go. I guess we'll just keep mining around. Well, definitely have a lot to do magical crops if we wanted to. Again, not something I had intended to start with. There are some things that it would be extremely useful for, like negating the need to go to the nether. Ooh, let there be obsidian. Oh, 3 pieces. I can count, that's more than 3. Let's go this way then. Oh, come on, guys. Got all sorts of redstone. I hate this map. Ah! Really, just one single piece, please. Blocks. Redstone blocks. Nothing. Literally, well, you know, got plenty of cobble now. Not plenty, but an adequate amount for my use, and I lost something there. My magnet's not 100% of the time. So let's... My shovel got lost. This is a rebuilt shovel. Really should have marked it as a Mark II, but whatever. Oh, pardon the motorcycles in the background. It's summertime, so the motorcyclists all drive by. Living on an island that's mainly a tourist attraction. You get that. It's not mainly a tourist... whatever. Anywho, let's see. Let's go here. Gold? Yellowite. Oh, I saw an ore node? Where? Oh. I shouldn't be able to see what's in it, though. Okay, let's go this way. I'm about to go deeper. What did I just... Ooh, diamonds. Hey, what do you know? That will help us get more of what we need later. If only this had fortune. Or my other one had fortune. If anything had fortune, I'd take fortune. Look, more iron. This is why I had a bunch. And then I made a bunch of mana steel, which, well, of course requires iron. Okay, we're gonna go back. We're gonna go down to... Oh, look, iron. Yeah, I'm distractible, but you know what? This is one of the first episodes, so mining happens. You can always skip forward. Oh, look, I'll take that. If you really didn't want to watch this, you could always just either skip forward or not watch this episode. I suppose that's your thing. We are almost full up, too. Let's, safely... Thank you. Let's go ahead and grab some more redstone. Just kind of grab things as we're going. But we're going to head back to home. 1 and 2, and that will make a lava flow. I'm good. But I will take the 1. Okay, I'm not greedy. Just want everything. Back into the regular mine. We'll go deposit our spoils here. That was a dead end. Hooray! Up here? Ow. Oh, I should get some sort of fall assist, too. Left-hand side, right-hand side, left-hand side. Which means right hand, I should be able to follow. Here. And then there's a torch up here, which means that perhaps it's here. No, this is just where I apparently went mining already. Lovely. Fossils. I just went that way. Well, we'll get out of here. Nothing like being trapped in a mine. Was it back this way? Another piece of iron. Wasn't through the darkness. The darkness. Now I know it. We started out right at the top, like level with a lava lake almost. All the iron, all the redstone. Thank you. What's up here? Did we? This was where we took off to go mining. So then. It's all cleared. You can see that this is cleared out. There's the... let myself get sidetracked. It's over here. Oh, that's copper. I don't want the copper. I don't need the copper. Go downstairs here in a minute. But first, I'm gonna go ditch all of this stuff, and I bet you it's nighttime. It's always nighttime when I come back from it. It is! Hooray! There's my meat. My meat beat stick. Glow shroom, glow shroom. There we go. Glow shrooms. Yay. Let's, yeah, we'll just dump it. Let's see. So shinies, diamonds, that, magnesium. Redstone, that goes in there. Coal. Good. So let's deposit the bones. That's it for mob drops. The rest, misc. Control Shift cobble. The miner's backpack. Redstone. The rest of you, other than Cinnabar, should all be able to just do this. Excellent. Then let's just go here and throw in the gold in that ore there, and then here to this, and cool. Well, then we should be able to just, let's double check if there's gonna be room. There's not. Well, we're gonna have to store cobble somewhere. I don't have any more chests. How many diamonds did we get? Not enough. I mean, we do. Actually, no, we don't. 7's not enough. Let's grab some wood then. Do I have any regular wood? I have 2 planks. Yeah, that's fine. This rubber wood will turn into jungle wood. Perfect. Now, we want to make a... Gonna need one of these anyways, so... What? Oh, any 2x2. Gotcha. So I need 4 chests. And that's not going to be enough to make 4 chests, is it? So, let's grab ourselves... Oops. No. Grab ourselves 8 logs. There we go. Go here. 8 logs in this configuration does not yield the chests. Fine. 4 chests. And we just need to make this. Oh, I can just make it out of an oak drawer. I mean, I can go like this. Okay. Well, then I need iron, some smooth stone, and 2 pistons. Grab some iron. Smooth stone will be in building materials. Do I have any? Sure I do. I've got chisel. I always have smooth stone. Give me a stack of cobble. Oh, that's right. I was thinking of stone bricks. Well, either way, actually, hang on. Nope, hasn't been done yet. Fine. Okay. Just go like this. I don't need a lot of smooth stone, but I'm gonna want more. That will take me longer than running upstairs. What do you mean running upstairs? Well, my system should know how to make smooth stone. Alright, I'll see. So, to prevent myself from being completely inundated with a ton of smooth stone, we'll just do this. 2 stacks. Perfect. And the smooth stone could then be chiseled into bricks, etc. Right. Okay. So then pistons, I'm still gonna need some cobble, which is in this bag anyways. Thank you. Okay. So here, we need to make pistons, 2 of them. Like so. 1, 2. Excellent. 1, 2, 3. Grab that. Grab that. Grab that. And that. Perfect. Now, do this. Bam. Compacting drawer. Fantastic. Let's just... Doesn't really particularly matter where I put it. I'm not using you, actually. Go. Compacting drawer. And cobble. Aha! There we go. Can I... Oh, I can. Awesome. Now, if I just grab a piece of cobble and I take this and put it in resupply or receiving mode, I put this here. Does that mean almost? So take the dirt and the smooth stone back, and I want every piece of cobble in here. That is all of it. Okay. Now to make sure that's all cobble, which it is, then you just go like that, and then like that. And there we go. We've got 11 double compressed cobblestone. Fantastic. And what's going on? Perfect. That is a lot tidier. I got forecasting tables and basins. I mean, I could put some of that stuff back in for EMC if I really wanted to. Why are we lagging so much? Lovely. Well, we'll call that an episode. I'm going to figure out what's going on. Well, I will give this a minute here. And someone crashed the server. Lovely. Oh, maybe not. Let's try joining again. Logging in. Hey, we're back. Okay. So let's see. That. So let's see. Just throw that in. Oh, I've got 2 in there now. Just throw those. Like that. That. Wood in here. And lose those levels. Go. And then you and you and you can go in there. Go to mob drops. So. Okay, put the iron away. Probably need to empty this some. So let's just go ahead and do that actually. Just throw everything over into the ingots chest. Like so. Now I think we can go back down and see if we can't find that piece of lapis. Just one. Just one is all it takes. Go all the way down here. And I guess I'm going to let's see. Oh, just clean this up. Look, more iron. Yay! What's that? All right. Alright, so through here, all through, I mean, come on. Oh god. No. Let's see. What was that? I got a book from a fossil. Yeah, it could still be related to that fiber cut. Because, I mean, if they're rerouting traffic and it hits the backbone, I don't even know. I mean, come on. You have is that more? Ah, more draconium. I will take it. Enough draconium and I can just build a super chest. Oh, you guys probably can't see, can you? Here. There we go. I'm just gonna go in a straight line and hope I don't run into lava. Because I'm eventually guaranteed to find a piece of lapis, right? Well, not guaranteed, but highly likely. Wow, this is quite the adventure here. Oh god. Going this way then. Ooh, deep iron. Well, that will be slightly more iron. I'm gonna say that better be just filling up there. Don't dig down. Thankfully, bedrock usually doesn't contain lava. Let's just keep going. Hey, what I get? Haste? And a modifier. Fantastic. Oh, that's much better. Much faster. Although still nothing. Not even along the ceilings. Mining for days. Wait, am I? I practically have a tunnel back to spawn. Ow. Oh. Ooh, broken ancient helmet. Another... Look, more draconium. I see it. Shining in the dark. One more and I can make an uber chest. And that'll actually solve a lot of problems. More redstone. Oh, come on. That. Like that. Wish there was an easy way, and man, I am lagging something. Ah. Well, that would do it. Let's do this. Just grab everything here, and we're just gonna clean out some of this. There we go. Now we can go more. Because really, I need that lapis. The quest for lapis. It's quite an epic quest, actually. I don't know that I have spent this long searching for a single gem before. And yeah, the search for diamonds is real. But honestly, at this point, diamonds are more common than lapis. And that's... hell, draconium, which is one of the rarest metals in the overworld, at least. That has been more reliably found than lapis. Should we go up some? Just go up a few. We'll go up to here. Keep carving. And just make our way back. Look, more iron. Hooray! Light. My frames. So much of this magical crop stuff. So much permafrost too. There's nothing that's even a dead giveaway as to when you're close to lapis is the really annoying thing. Right? Nope. One mining level, that's always useful. This. Oh, come on. Well, I'm going to keep mining for a while. I'm going to call this the end of the episode, and I'm probably going to have to go back to base here anytime now. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, I think we're actually back to... Wait. Whoa, that was almost bad. I knew I saw cobble, which almost always indicates that lava and water are together, at least underground. Hey, look, I got 5 more hunks of that frozen meat. I've got weapons forever. Oh, yeah, good thing I didn't mind that. Now, the way back should be this way, maybe? Yep, okay. Well, I'm going to continue my epic quest for lapis, and eventually be able to make that modular storage, which is becoming more and more important as I mine. But yeah, let's go ahead and get somewhere safe before we do our little outro. I've been Rythone. This has been the Freebird Industries series here on the Fourside modded server. Fourside Reborn mod pack. Thank you for joining me. Leave a like if you liked the video, leave a dislike if you didn't, and if your opinion on it is more than a thumbs up or thumbs down can give you, go ahead and leave me a comment down below and I will make sure to read it and respond to it. Thank you very much. Rythone signing off. Bye-bye!